से कहीं धीमे पाँव से, जाने किस तरह किस घड़ी आगे बढ़ गए हमसे राहों में, पर तुम तो अभी थे यहीं। कुछ भी ना सुना, कब का था गिला, कैसे कह दिया अलविदा।
गुरु वंदना मंगलकारी, गुरु वंदना चरणों में बारी जाओ बलिहारी बिहारी बिहारी, गुरु वंदना मंगलकारी, गुरु वंदना मंगलकारी, गुरु वंदना।
We are so glad you're here for us today. We're glad you came. This is the day that will last in our memories, for reason to smile. Because great things start with small beginnings. This humble wish is from our tender heart. I see the future, crafting a new world, making a human and burning a flame. Masters of wisdom, angels of young minds, shaping crystals out of gold. We are so glad to welcome you. We wish to give our joyful heart. Celebrate what we bring us together. We are the one voice. We are to welcome. We are to welcome you. We are to welcome.
Here is your assignment. Please do it fast. Some more assignments are waiting for you.
This is ridiculous. Another 3 chapters? That's way too much homework.
Homework is essential for academic excellence. Complete it before the deadline.
Oh, sure. Because drowning in assignments is the key to success. And you never even explain things properly. I ask the question and all you do is repeat the same robotic answers from the book. Don't you even care that I don't understand?
Emotional distress is irrelevant to the learning process. Continue your work.
That's it. I'm done with you.
But I'm not. I'm going to take some more assignments from the database. Until then, you complete these assignments.
Sure. Why not? मेरी लाइफ में बचा ही क्या है? असाइनमेंट सोना, असाइनमेंट सोना.
Myra, Myra, what's the matter, dear? It looks like a storm just hit you.
Dadi, my mechanical teacher is the worst. It gives me too much homework. I'll complain about it in the educational department and really make sure that it does not teach anymore. Till that time, I am not going to study. And Dadi, you tell me, what's the use of all these studies? I have already got everything I want.
Myra, you are so privileged, my child. You have access to the most advanced technology. You need someone to nurture you and guide you. In our time, we had something much greater. We had real teachers.
Real teachers? But I have a teacher too.
नहीं नहीं बेटा, तुम्हारे पास machine है who teaches you from only point to point, without any feeling, without any emotion. But I am talking about the real teachers. Teachers
who knew when we are struggling, when we are distressed. They comfort us when we felt low and celebrated us when we are triumphed. They sound amazing, Dadi. Is it even possible to have such a teacher, or as you said, teachers? Let me tell you a story, Maya. Let me take you to my time, to my classroom, to my teachers. This story begins when we were little kids in nursery school, and I still remember the very first teacher of my life, Simi ma'am. Her nature was truly unique. Whenever she come to class to teach us, she always brought chocolates and toffees with her. She made learning a game, and the winner got chocolates. But no one went empty-handed. Even if we lost, she smiled and gave us anyway.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today, we are going to do a quiz challenge.
What quiz?
Whoever wins will get toffee and chocolates.
Wow!
So, ready for your first one? What are nouns and pronouns?
Noun is name, place, animal, thing. And pronouns are used in place of nouns.
Good. Very good. There you go. Grab onto your reward.
Wow, Dadi, this is so amazing. मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था कि मेरे जैसे स्टूडेंट्स जो पढ़ाई से इतना बोर हो जाते हैं, उन्हें इतनी फन तरीके से पढ़ाया जा सकता है. That's why Simi ma'am is the best ma'am. But the story doesn't end here. As I grew older, a new teacher walked in, Shima ma'am. A rose in her hair, her presence was so elegant. But the most special thing, she carried an aura, graceful, distant, yet unforgettable. Even her fragrance left a mark. She taught us that studies matters, but how you carry yourself matters too. What happened, girls?
Nothing, ma'am.
Tell me, what gossip is going on?
Ma'am, actually she wants to say something. Ma'am, you're looking so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. That flower suits you well.
Thank you, girls. Back to the point. Where were we in the last class?
Ma'am, we were on chapter 4.
Okay, let's start. Every teacher in our school is exceptional in her own way. But when I moved to the next class, I met Bachna ma'am. Always on time, always graceful. She didn't just teach, she listened. No matter how busy she was, she always made time for us.
तो क्लास, कल जो मैंने पढ़ाया था वो याद है या भूल गए?
No, ma'am.
अच्छा चलो मैं ही बताती हूँ. My very educated mother just served us noodles. अब तो याद रहेगा ना?
Yes, ma'am.
वैसे इससे आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि सब ठीक तो है?
Ma'am, actually she's having some problems.
Why बेटा? What happened?
Ma'am, I'm facing difficulty solving maths.
वैसे मैथ्स मेरा सब्जेक्ट तो नहीं है, मगर फिर भी I can try to help.
Wow, Dadi, this is much needed for a student. मतलब, as you know, Dadi, my robot teacher just gives me assignments and she never even tries to listen to me. Don't be sad, my dear. Listen to my story and you will find your own inspiration. I clearly remember a remarkable incident when a Hindi teacher, Sandhya ma'am, gave us a class on Sangya and Visheshan.
सुप्रभात अध्यापिका.
सुप्रभात बच्चों. तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे संध्या. संध्या किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान, गुण आदि को कहा जाता है. संध्या 5 प्रकार की होती है. तो कोई मुझे बता सकता है क्या कि बच्चे की भाववाचक संध्या क्या होती है?
मैम, मैं बताऊं.
बताइए.
बच्चापन.
अरे नहीं बेटा, बच्चे की भाववाचक संध्या बचपन होती है. तो आप सभी एज अ होमवर्क संध्या की परिभाषा याद करेंगे. धन्यवाद.
And there's another extraordinary teacher, Preeti ma'am, who is graceful, expressive, and effortlessly brilliant. Learning from her felt like poetry in motion, and her handwriting, I still remember, was simply unmatched.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all feeling today? Good? If it's anything, I am there for you.
Ma'am, can I say something? Your handwriting is so beautiful. Ma'am, can you teach us also?
Thank you. I'm sure that in a little while, with enough practice and attention, you will be able to write exactly like me, students. Come on, let's start with our lesson now. Everyone having their textbooks, right? If not, you can share.
Oh, how could I forget Blessing ma'am? Every class began with her iconic IO and discipline. No one questioned it. We just followed her with respect.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Girls, open up your books. Ayu, I forgot my book. Let me borrow yours.
Okay, ma'am.
What have you brought for your lunch today, children?
Here, ma'am.
Roti sabzi. Good. And yours?
Ma'am, here.
Ayu, pizza, nothing healthy? No dosa, idli, sambar, chutney. Come with me. I will give you my lunch.
Ha. Daddy, these are some truly amazing teachers. Seriously, what a story. So, was that all there is to your school life? Or is there more to share? Please let me hear it. Oh, Myra. Not only teachers, but the helping staff was a memorable one. I remember Flora Didi. She was a big part of the reason why school was so clean. Let me tell you, when I entered secondary section, everything felt different. That's when I met Rachna ma'am, a pure magic with color. Her passion for art was infectious. The moment her class was scheduled, I rushed to the front seat, eager to learn from her creativity.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. बैठो.
मैम, मैंने सुना है कि आप बैडमिंटन कंपटीशन में जीत गए हो, अभी जो टीचर्स के बीच में हुआ था।
हाँ बेटा, अभी उम्र हो गई है पर अभी भी बहुत अच्छा खेल लेती हूँ। तभी तो मैं और वंदना मैम फाइनल्स जीते।
माँ, मैं 2 मिनट का ब्रेक ले सकती हूँ?
वाई?
माँ, मुझे बहुत तेज भूख लग रही है।
भूख लग रही है? अच्छा रुको, आज मैं घर से गुजिया लाई हूँ, तुम नोट ले लाती हूँ।
Wow, Dadi, your teachers are really motivating and creative, unlike someone I know who only knows how to kill one's creativity. Absolutely, beta. Along with our inspiring teachers or office staff is the backbone of our school. Maria ma'am and Lali ma'am, their dedication is unmatched. No matter where you look, you won't find a staff as sincere as them. They handle everything so perfectly, like clockwork.
माँ, ये लीव एप्लीकेशन। दिस इज गुड, पर एक काम करो, एक और बार लिख के ले आओ।
मैम, एक बार दिखाना ठीक तो है, चाइल्ड यू गो।
ये सही नहीं है, कितना स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक सिस्टर को देना है।
You give it to me. I will talk to sister. आप जाओ, अंकित सर आज नहीं आएंगे, सब्स्टिट्यूशन लिस्ट बनाओ।
मुझे भी बहुत काम है, पर पहले ही सब्स्टिट्यूशन लिस्ट। चलो साथ में चलते हैं।
नहीं मैम, मुझे दूसरे काम करना है। दादी, this sounds so hard working and sincere. पर थोड़ा टफ नहीं हो जाता होगा handling everything in the office and everyone coming to the office? True, beta. But when work is done with love, it never feels heavy. Now, let me tell you about Sridevi ma'am. For 35 years, she has been the heart of Carmel School. Her love and passion for chemistry is unmatched. She bonds with students like H2O, pure, strong, unbreakable and essential.
Silent prayer. Sit down. Okay, so what was done yesterday?
Mom, chemical bonds.
No, it was not done yesterday. It has not been done yet. Okay, so today we'll learn some new equations. So write down H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl. Okay?
Okay, mom.
We'll meet in the next class.
35 years of excellence? I haven't even lived that long. It's unbelievable, Dadi. Carmel teachers have the magic to make unbelievable believe. There's another outstanding teacher, Harminder ma'am. The moment she enters, silence falls. Her voice commands attention. Her discipline shapes us. Strict? Yes, but her heart is softer than you expect.
क्या हो रहा है ये? माम, वो फ्री पीरियड था तो थोड़ी सी स्ट्रेचिंग हो रही थी। हाँ, बहुत हो रही है स्ट्रेचिंग, असेंबली में तो होती नहीं है। रिबन कहाँ है तुम्हारे? और नेल्स देखो, जाओ जाके ग्राउंड के 2 चक्कर मार के आओ। इधर आओ, ये जो मैं तुम्हें डांटती हूँ ना, तुम्हारी भलाई के लिए डांटती हूँ, इसका बुरा मत मानना। जाओ क्लास में।
Daddy, after listening to you, I feel as if I need someone to discipline me and have a soft approach to it, but someone who really cares. Of course, dear. Discipline and studies goes together. And when it comes to biology,
one name echoes through entire NCERT curriculum, Rashmi ma'am, our brilliant PGT biology teacher.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, class. So where were we yesterday?
Photosynthesis topic.
Okay. So making of food by plants by converting light energy to chemical energy in presence of light and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Stand up. What is the process of photosynthesis?
I don't know, ma'am.
Were you not taking your notes on what?
Sorry, mama, for what?
Children, I have been repeating this line from the day one of this session that we each and every line of your NCERT thoroughly. But you never listen to me. And also take PYQs from your seniors and solve them. But paper will not be predictable, okay? So we will continue this in our next class, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, girls.
Dadi, sometimes I also need that type of guidance where there is someone this experienced yet with real and balanced emotions too.
Oh, don't worry. You'll have your share of guidance too. How could I forget Bela ma'am, the finest maths teacher we had? She made equations feel effortless like a breeze.
Clear? क्या हुआ बच्चों? बताओ मुझे.
Ma'am, actually I have a doubt but I'm afraid to ask.
अरे तो बेटा पूछो ना. एक बार नहीं 100 बार पूछो. आखिर हम टीचर्स हैं किस लिए? लाओ दिखाओ, मैं समझाती हूँ.
Yes, ma'am. Dadi, this is a need for me too. Maths मेरे सर के ऊपर से जाती है whenever that robot explains it. But I feel if somebody like your teacher explained it, it would be so easy.
That is the difference, my dear. Alright, let's dive into the final part of this wonderful story. Now, tell me, when you have such an inspiring teachers in your school, how could they not leave a lasting impact on your life?
Exactly, Dadi. Why not? After listening to you, I also feel very energetic and feel as if they have left an impact on me too.
It's time to resume your homework.
Dear heartless, emotionless machine, it's time to say a goodbye. I'm going to find a real teacher.
आंखें खुली हो या हो बंद, दीदार उनका होता है. कैसे कहूँ मैं ओ यारा, प्यार कैसे होता है.
पंजाब का पुत्र है पिंड जलंधर यार वही वही कुड़ियां नी दिल करदा कीता दा है टंग लजदा यार वही वही खेतां विच दिल करदा तू इट माई वे नहीं ते हाईवे मेरे को फर्क यार की रहंदा Everybody knows where we wanna go. Hollywood के मिलते हैं मिल जाते हैं बहाने. You know it, so sing it. Now throw your hands up and say.
चुपके से कहीं